We are going to be making chocolate pudding this week. There are both milk and eggs incorporated into this recipe. Pudding would be considered a cooked milk dish. You will want to have the sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, which acts as a thickener, and salt mixed together in the 2-quart saucepan. You will want to have these ingredients mixed well so it is all brown. You will want to mash the lumps of the cocoa out using the back of a measuring spoon against the sides of the pot. You will want to use a liquid measuring cup to measure the milk using the eyeball method, and whisk the milk as you pour. So this whole process should take about 15 seconds. You don't want cocoa on the sides of the pot after you add the milk, so you might have to use the spoon to scrape it. You will whisk the egg in a separate bowl with a fork. When you are cooking the mixture on the stove, you want to use about medium heat. The flames should not be coming out the side of the pot, and we want to stir the mixture constantly. It's important that we cook the milk low and slow so it doesn't burn. You want to bring the mixture to a boil. The egg is getting cooked from the mixture being boiled and poured onto the egg, so you want to make sure that you're using a heat-proof bowl. Use oven mitts and pour the mixture into the bowl with the egg, whisking as you pour. Whisk in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, which is about the same as 4 ounces, which is what the recipe calls for. Put saran wrap over your pudding and push it down onto the sides of the bowl so your pudding is covered. This helps prevent a skin or film from forming over the pudding. The instructions in the recipe suggest to refrigerate covered until cold for at least 2 hours, but I recommend putting in the freezer to set faster. I hope you enjoy the pudding recipe.